Afro-Nation in Detroit, Michigan did not disappoint. Baby, what a time. A time was had. Burna Boy, DeVito, Ari Lennox, Lotto, every artist there, P-Square, they shut it down. Okay, let's get up in the air and go to Detroit right now for Afro-Nation. But first, some fun with the flight crew and Bay. So we're staying in downtown Detroit at the historic book building, created by a couple of brothers. This was a many years long project that they completed, and what beauty. Art Deco touches all throughout the hotel. Just gorgeous. Everywhere you looked, there was art to explore here. We spent a lot of time just exploring the city on foot, and just walking around, seeing all the art and all the history of downtown Detroit. That's me in front of Canada. And did you know that Detroit also has smart screens downtown? You want to look for a restaurant like Fork in Nigeria? You go there and pull it up on the smart screen. They tell you how to get there. You can even take selfies there and have them send it to your phone through this smart screen. There are a few of them in downtown Detroit. I think we found it. We're going to Hudson's Cafe for breakfast. And boy, was it good. There's something really special that I found about Detroit. Not only does it have amazing artwork and architecture and a rich Black history there, there's a southernness that exists there. From the food to the hospitality, people actually speak to you when you're walking in the morning. That's the bus terminal. We took it to House of Zen and just exploring the city, seeing what everyday Detroit, Michigan folks see. Walking where Stevie walked and some of the other greats. Now, it's time to head to Afro-Nation. So as soon as you get to Douglas Park used to be a housing development. It was the Brewster Douglas housing development here in Detroit. And it birthed folks like Diana Ross, Florence Ballard, Elle DeBarge's mom, Ederline DeBarge. Yeah. They all stood here. And I'm standing here. Gosh. It was a love fest, sugar. Night one, Burna Boy shut it down. Day two, we get up and we do the same thing again. We go back to Hudson Cafe for breakfast, and then we walk and explore, and we head back to Afro-Nation. Day two, DeVito headlines. And we don't take no lawn chairs and no blankets. We go out there and we ground ourselves in the same earth as the greats, you know? Now, the crowd may not look like very much right now, but honey, when night falls, it swells. And the people all come together and we're all dancing and singing together. And it's a beautiful festival of blackness. Music duo P-Squared performed. This is Peter and Paul Okoye. They are twin brothers from Nigeria who've been performing for a little more than 16 years or so with American and African artists all over the world. DeVito came and he shut it down for night two. I was so excited to see him. He experienced some tragedy in his life this year. So to see him out there on the stage, still operating in his gift and giving to the crowd was so beautiful. The dancers, the background singers, oh my gosh. I could just go on and on about every single performance, but everybody came out there to give an amazing show. Sugar. It was so good. Lotto showed back up for night 2. And even though Burna Boy performed only for night 1, he was probably our favorite performance. So spiritual, so gifted. I'm gonna let you get a sample right here. Just like the man said, Afro-Nation, 2023, Detroit, Michigan. Sugar left no crumbs. None. None at all. I ate it up. I ate up all the history, all that beautiful, rich culture, that architecture, that art. Thank you. Thank you, Detroit, for loaning us home for just a little while. It felt so good, and we will most certainly be back. What a great town. Detroit is on the move, and I'm excited to see more. I'm also excited to find out where the next Afro-Nation is gonna be, because I gotta post up. Special thanks to our dear friends Nailed by Toya and also Akon Zippy. You can go to his page and check out the full videos of performances from the amazing artists that were at Afro-Nation. He's got it there. I'll post all the links and suggestions for you to visit in the description below. Be sure to keep watching for more adventures, and don't forget to check out my bonus nephew for full performances from Afro-Nation 23. And thanks for watching, liking, and sharing Sugar Pearls, food that loves you back.